Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation here. Today is Friday, November the 17th, with Thanksgiving right around the corner. We have CRSP popping up with an over 370% increase in institutional bullish volume, so no surprises that the stock jumps nearly 11% as a result. Top of the main dashboard here at TradeAlgo.com for our users and subscribers to take advantage of. Well, what our technology is identifying is that at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, more than 3.5 times the average amount of institutional green bullish pressure is being identified in CRSP in these private exchanges. So typically, only $61 million of the stock is traded behind closed doors over a previous 7-day total average. Today alone, it's more than $227 million. So hundreds of millions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the most influential market makers. Now it starts to make a little bit more sense as to why it's making such a large directional move. But again, it's about getting the information early with speed and transparency down here and not chasing it over here. If you had followed along with smart money transactions, and let's say you had done call options, you could see a nice list of triple and even quadruple digit returns. For example, let's say that you had done the $65 call option on CRSP. We're going to take a look at the 5-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up at 9:34. This is the 9:35 candle. So options were about 50 cents. At its maximum, that's an over 660% return. But it's not about squeaking every last percentage point out of it. As you can see, the market moves very quick. It's about having the data, having the information, and having access to the opportunity, like our users were able to experience at 9:34 a.m. instead of hearing about it over here after it's already jumped more than 600%. Maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 10:45 a.m. and then maybe you hopped out a little bit early, still at a triple-digit return. Still a great day. Get the information here, don't chase it over here. And it wasn't just CRSP, there are many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. Let's take a look at just maybe one or two more. Not only do our users and subscribers have the top 10 trades of the day in private exchange network volume placed in front of them at tradealgo.com, we also send out alerts directly to our users. So for people who might be a little bit busy with work or new to the market or whatever the case may be, we send out very specified alerts like this one that do basically all of the heavy lifting for the individual. So 11:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, letting people know, hey guys, we're doing the SPY 451 call, 22 cents a contract. So if we go to the TradeAlgo options chain and we go to the SPY, we can go to the 451 call. We're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart because we know when the alert was sent out and we know the entry price. So 22 cents per contract, which means at its maximum, the trade was up 170%. However, we send out management texts and we also send out full exit texts as well to let people know how we're updating them on the position. So at 12:03 p.m., we're up 65% saying, hey, we're closing out a fourth of the trade, keeping people updated and posted on what's going on. Later on, exiting fully at a 124% return. So again, it's not about getting all 169% out of it. It's about being consistently profitable. And when you have speed and transparency and even alerts coming directly to you to help assist you, makes life a whole lot easier. Congratulations to many of our users who are sharing success stories saying things like, boom, 100%, got in at 19 cents, would have gotten out at, that would be 38 cents, and at 22 cents out at 37, so almost a triple digit return here. This user, in the middle of a work day, has to run to a lunch meeting, but boom, makes a quick 45% return in the middle of the day. This user got a 100% return. Lots more success stories. We just don't have time to go through all of them. So we'll go ahead and wrap up the week here, November the 17th, on the trending downside of the equation. If we go to our large cap space, we can see HUM, nearly a 240% increase in institutional bearish volume. So we're on the red side of the board. 3% drop in the stock itself. If we go to the TradeAlgo Alerts tab, you can see that HUM is identified at 9:34 a.m. with more than 13 times the institutional bearish pressure. So if you had done put options following smart money transactions, again, nice list of triple-digit returns, in particular the $500 put option. If we go to the 5-minute chart here, we can see that this is the 9:35 candle. Options were between about 57 to 67 cents. So at its maximum, that's a 500% return. We had one of our new users sharing a cool success story with us saying, hey, thanks, made a quick, 120% on those HUM $500 put options just by using the main dashboard. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.